Hello, welcome back. Today with your Promethean education consultant, Allie, I'm going to be working again in ClassFlow, which is Promethean's free, cloud-based, comprehensive, interactive lesson delivery system. And we've been working with the multiplication times 2 lesson. And so we're going to go ahead and continue on that. And today we are going to embed an activity that we created earlier with one of the earlier videos. So you can check that out to see how we did that. So I'm going to go to my resources from the landing page. And remember, my resources, I have populated by the modified date. So it's the last one that I worked on. So if, let's say my multiplication times 2 activity was all the way down here somewhere. What I like to do so that it's always at the top of my list when I go to embed it is I find the activity and I pretend I'm going to edit it. I'm really not, but what that does for me is puts it up at the top of my resources list, and I'll show you why that's important in just a second. And so we are going to work on the multiplication facts times 2. So I'm going to click on that and edit lesson. And so if you recall on this particular lesson, we have looked at how to add text and background, how to copy to a student card, how to embed a video, and how to have a different student card than what is going on our teacher card. So look at those videos if you're interested in learning a little bit more about that. So you can see I need another card. So in order to do that, I am going to click on my cog. I am going to choose Add Card. And that adds another card to my deck. Notice I'm not adding anything to my student card here because I'm going to deliver this activity. So now I need to find the activity. So I'm going to go up to my file with the plus, and if you can see inside my cursor, it says insert. I click there. When I click there, all of the things that I can insert come up in this populated list, and they come up in the order I last used them. That's why I went in and made sure that I pretended I was going to work with that activity again so that it populated at the top of my list and was easy to find. I'm going to click on it to highlight it and then choose Insert. When I choose Insert, you can see here from this activity that I can now have it here. It won't play from here. When I click my preview, however, then I can practice it. And remember, I did that so I could find if there were any things wrong in the activity. I always go through and preview first. And so now I can choose from here to deliver. So you can see as logged in as a student, this is what Jamil will see. When I go to my next slide, which is my embedded video slide, on Jamil's slide, it says, watch the video and be ready to practice your times 2 facts. And so again, the activities are more for practice than they are for getting any data, although you could put in a quiz right after, which is the next set of videos that I'm going to do. I click on my next one, and you'll notice that on Jamil's screen, nothing has changed yet. So when I go to send my screen to my students, on Jamil's side, after a couple of seconds, she gets the activity. And so she can click Let's Play. And so here's where I might have a timer going and allow the kids to play for a while. Remind them that they need to use those scroll bars on the side. Those are super easy for touch devices, for their little hands if they have trouble with that. Then this is the end of my slide at this time. So I choose exit. And since I didn't send any polls, it's not going to ask me if I want to save. Now you'll notice here that Jamil can no longer do anything with that activity. She can't move that activity because I delivered it. And once I ended the lesson, this activity is not able to be used. Using the activities, though, you can use through rostered classes very easily. And so stay tuned because I'll be doing some more videos on those. I hope you enjoyed today's Momentum Monday, and I hope to see you tomorrow when we develop a quiz for our students for after they practice their ×2 facts. And then we'll embed it into our card deck. Have an amazing day and remember to use the Promethean power.